Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reversi. Reversi is a classic strategy board game played by two players. The goal is to have the majority of your color discs on the board when the game ends. It's played on an 8x8 grid using 64 double-sided discs, black on one side and white on the other. The game begins with 4 discs in the center, 2 of each color, arranged diagonally. This setup is crucial for your first moves. To make a move, you place one of your discs on any empty square. However, your move must outflank at least one of your opponent's discs. This means you must place your disc so that one or more of your opponent's discs are trapped in a straight line between your newly placed disc and another one of your existing discs. This can happen in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Once you've made a valid move and outflanked your opponent's discs, all the trapped discs in that line are immediately flipped over to your color. It's possible to outflank and flip discs in several different directions with a single move, which can dramatically change the board state. If a player has no valid moves available, they must pass their turn. The game continues with the other player. The game concludes when neither player can make a valid move. This typically happens when all 64 squares on the board are filled with discs, or when one player has no discs left. At this point, all discs are counted. The player with the most discs of their color on the board is declared the winner. A tie is also possible if both players end up with 32 discs each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.